welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a magic portal in Heartopia. So this one requires no glitch. I know like the portals that I've made requires glitch, but this one doesn't. Let me just color the floor and ceiling first to white because we're going to like make it super bright that it's like gonna blind you. All right, let's just place that to the side. We need a few walls here, so we need 2, and then we're going to need 2 on the side and 2 on the side. So this is 2, 2, 2. Then we will need to place this wall in the middle of those 2. And then this one 2. And then we're going to want to put the portal here. Grab the wooden wall sculpture and color it white. And we're just going to place it on like every row. So I'm just going to want to do that first. It's going to take a while and I'll be right back. Okay, once you're done, we're just going to extend this wall further. And then we're going to place this on the floors as well as the ceiling. So let me just extend this. And we're going to put this on the ceiling. Let me just delete that. Then we are going to put some lights on the ceiling. So we're going to use this one. It's going to be super bright, by the way. I don't know where that light went. Hello? Oh. I don't know like why it spawns there, but it's fine. And we're going to really put a lot of lights here so you can kind of not see anything. Okay. Where is it? Oh my gosh, why is it still there? And just like put more lights until it's this bright. I think this is enough, honestly. And then I think I might paint the walls like something else that doesn't have stripes. Maybe this one. Why can I not paint it? Hello? Oh, right, because this is the, oh my gosh, sorry guys. I'm like a little bit tired today. But I think that's good enough. If you want to add more lights, you can. I just don't want to. And then we're going to close this up like so. And we are going to then add a door here. I'll just color it like this color because I kind of want to match it with like some trees later just to make it like more magical, I guess. I think we need more lights. Hold on. I know this seems excessive, but let me actually get close to it and see what we're working with here. This is so annoying, like how it's there. Let me like turn it off first because, yeah, I need to see where the lights are. I'm gonna put like one in every corner here. So 2, I guess. Okay, now we just need to turn these lights on. Oh my gosh, how are we gonna do that? Okay, let me try to see if it works like this. Okay, yeah. I'll just do it this way so I can see the lights. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. Oops. There we go. I mean, it doesn't look that different, but it's fine. All right. We're then going to close this up. And contain all the light there. Then we're going to add our door here. And I'm just going to decorate the outside so it looks a little bit more hidden, and I'll be right back with the finished results. Oh, also make sure you put the like portal doors somewhere else so you can like go through like a secret room. But I am not bothered to make that secret room right now. So make sure you add another door or else you won't be teleported anywhere. So again, I'll be right back. So I was distracted and I didn't build a room in here, but this is what the front looks like. And I'm just going to basically go in this teleportation device and I'm in another room. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!